Very good morning, children. Today I am going to discuss about the one new topic, that is mode of the data. What is the definition of the mode? MODE, mode. Okay, definition of the data. Okay, children, see the value which occurs more frequently. The value which occurs more frequently is known as mode. Is known as mode, or the highest frequency of the data. The highest frequency of the data. The highest frequency of the data is known as mode. Known as mode. Okay, let us see one example. See here, find the mode of 5 comma 6 comma 9 comma 10 comma 6 comma 12 comma 3 comma 6 comma 11 comma 10 comma 4 comma 6 comma 7. Okay, now solution. Arrange the data in ascending order. Or otherwise descending order also. Okay, now see, arranged it in ascending order. Okay, first one, what is the least value? Ascending means small to big. What is the least value? 3 is the least value. After that 4. Next one 5. Next 6. Next 7. Next 9. Next 10. And then last 11. Okay, in this data, see, 6 occurs 4 times, 10 occurs 2 times. Therefore, the mode is 6. The mode is 6. Okay, it is a unimodal data. Unimodal data. It is an unimodal data. Okay, the mode having 2 is known as the bimodal data. Okay, the mode is 3, that is multimodal data. Okay, now sometimes mode does not exist. Okay, children, now see, in a grouped data, mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L is the lower limit of the model class, and H is the length of the class interval, and F1 is the maximum frequency or highest frequency, and F0 is the frequency of the preceding of the model class, and F2 is the frequency of the succeeding of the model class, or frequency of the class following the model class. Okay. Okay, children, let us take one example and do with the help of the grouped data mode. See, find the mode of the data, family size and number of families. 1, 2, 3, 7 families are there. 3 to 5 members, number of families 8. 5 to 7 2, and 7 to 9 2, and 9 to 11 1. Okay, now see, children, family size. Number of families. Okay, now family size 1, 2, 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11, and 1 to 7, 1 to 3, 7, 8, 2, 2, 1. Okay, now see the data arranged in column wise. We know the formula. With the help of the formula we can solve it. See here, what is the formula? Mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Already L. What is L? L is the lower boundary of the model class. What is the model class here? Highest frequency is known as the F1. Highest frequency of the data is known as the mode, that is the F1. Okay, preceding class is known as the F0. Succeeding class is known as the F2. Succeeding class is known as the F2. Now see here, this is the grouped data, and here the 3 to 5 is the model class. 3 to 5 is the model class. Here what is L? What is L? 3 is the L. 3 is the L. Okay, therefore 3L. Okay, next one, H is equals to the successive difference, 3 minus 1, 2, or 5 minus 3, 2. Okay, next one, F1 is equals to 8, F0 is equals to 7, F2 is equals to 2. Okay, substitute all these values in this formula. L value 3 plus F1 value 8 minus F0 value 7 by 2 into F1 value is 8 minus F0 value is 7 minus F2 value is 2 into H. H value is 2. H value is 2. Okay, now which is equal to 3 plus 8 minus 7, 1 by 2 8s 16 minus 9 into 2, which is equal to 3 plus 1 into 2, 2 by 16 minus 9. How much? 7. Okay, divide 2 with 7. 0.0, 7 2 is 14, 6 is there, 7 8s 56. 4 remainder, which is equal to 3 plus 0.28, which is equal to 3.28 is the mode. 3.28 is the mode. Okay, children? I hope you understood well. Thank you. Thank you so much.